Welcome to today's job circular. It is about Bank Asia Limited, which is a private bank in Bangladesh. Be a proud member of Bank Asia family. Let's see. Bank Asia on the verge of stepping forward its footprints in the golden gate of a decade of banking business excellence intends to extend its business operation nationwide. Currently, the job circular is for Assistant Relationship Officer ARO. The type of employment is contractual. Job areas: call center, duty station, Dhaka. There are core responsibilities are given to see, provide products and service information, manage large numbers of inbound, outbound calls, produce feedback to customers, compliance, recognize document and alert the management team, etc. Eligibility is graduation without any third division class, age must below 30 years as on June 30, 2021. Strong communication and interpersonal skills with pleasing personality, must be proactive, self-motivated, able to work under, having ability to meet deadlines, strong monitoring skills and have capability to motivate customer, must process good command in both English and Bengali. Compensation and others: consolidated salary of 25,000 per month with other admissible benefits, will have the opportunity to become permanent after 2 years based on the performance and HR policy. For apply on this position, you have to apply through website bankasia-bd.com/about/career. I will give the website link in the description box below, that you can follow that link to apply directly from here. And the application deadline is June 30, 2021. So that's all for today. If you want to apply before 30th of this month. Thanks for watching. See you in the next job circular.